Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made this simple shirred top using elastic thread. You are going to need elastic thread. I got mine at a local craft store that's about $2 a pack. Then you're also going to need scissors, a ruler, chalk, and at least 1 yard of lightweight fabric. Cottons work best for this project. To determine the width of your top, it should be your bust multiplied by 1.5, and the length is totally up to you. Hem across the top and bottom of your fabric. Although you're going to be sewing on the right side of the fabric, you should be leaving about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of space in between each line when sewing. Connect both sides together to make a tube top. Now you're going to prepare your bobbin by hand winding it with a light hand. Do not pull your elastic thread. Stitch about 4 to 5 lines on the top and bottom. Then you're going to iron the stitches that you've made using steam. The fabric should shrivel up and have a lot of elasticity when you pull it. Here's the completed project, and you can also add straps like I did if you want to add an extra design element to your creation. If you would like to see more DIYs like this, or you want to start a FIDM fashion club at your high school, be sure to check out the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you make your own top as well.